Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. In this video again, I'm talking about AMP coin price update. What's going on? What's the price changes occurring in the AMP? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please guys make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update video guys. Guys, if you talk about the right now price of AMP coin, so the right now price is about 0.050489 USD dollar. That is the right now price of AMP coin in the market. And furthermore, if you talk about the changes updates of positive 0.74% changes occur in the AMP. Other side, the last 1 day update is going negative 0.93%. Last 1 week change is about positive 10.03%. Guys, the changes of AMP coin is going positive. Only the yesterday, the last 1 day changes of AMP is going negative. Very repeatedly the price dump from yesterday, but you can see on the right now situation, you can see here, just look here. Now slowly gradually the price of AMP coin start pumping guys, and I believe you can see here, if you talk about the changes, that is the last 3 days price chart, and the changes goes positive in AMP coin guys. So I'm happy to see these positive changes, and I believe that for a long time AMP will continue this pump. You can see here the price slowly the price start positive, and I believe that at the last October they will give you a maximum amount of profit, not a huge, but you will be in a profit guys. Anyways, what's your opinion about AMP coin? What's your prediction? Also share in the comment box guys, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more update and news videos.